Hi, I'm going to show you how to crochet this absolutely adorable double poppy. For the center of poppy I would normally use black, but I'm going to use this lighter color so you can actually see what I'm doing. So first we'll make a magic circle and single crochet 8 stitches into that magic circle. Once you've done your 8 stitches, you can close the circle. And the second round will be increased stitches into every single crochet. So you'll be making 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch from the round below, and you will end up with 16 stitches at the end of this round. When you get to your last set of 2 stitches, don't finish off the last one because we will be changing the colour here. So get your new colour and make a slip knot. And now you can finish off that half a stitch you've made with your old colour, pull through your new colour. In the next round we will be working into the front loops only. So find your front loops, there's a back loop and a front loop, and you will be making single crochet stitches all the way around, but just into the front loops. So 16 single crochet stitches all the way around. When you get to the end of this round, you will start making petals. So you slip stitch into the very first stitch and make a chain of 4. In the next stitch we will be making 3 treble crochet stitches, and I'm using American terms here, so that's 1, 2 and 3, and they're all going into the same stitch from around below. The following stitch will also have 3 treble crochet stitches in it, so we'll do another one and then the last one, and then you go into chain 4 and slip stitch into the next stitch, and you have made your first petal. So we'll be repeating this. So slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 4, the next stitch will have 3 treble crochets in it, and then another 3 treble crochets into the following stitch, and then chain 4 and slip stitch into the next stitch. You've got to repeat the same thing twice more until you have your 4 petals. Then you get to the end of this round and you've done your chain 4 and slip stitch to close this round. You will now be working into the reverse side where your back loops are. So fold the petals over and find your closest back loop, single crochet into that one, and then make an increase stitch into the next, and repeat this all the way around. So single crochet first and then increase stitch till you get back to your very first stitch you made. Once you completed this round, we will start making the second set of petals for your poppy. So we'll start again with a slip stitch into the very first stitch and then chain 4. We'll make 3 treble crochet stitches into the next 4 stitches this time. So you make first the set of 3 treble crochet stitches and go into the next stitch and make another set of 3 treble crochet stitches, and then again another set of 3 treble crochet stitches, and then the last set of 3 treble crochet stitches. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the next stitch. You'll have made your first petal, and you will be repeating this all the way around, starting with a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 4, and then make your 4 sets of 3 treble crochet stitches all the way around. Don't forget your chain 4 and slip stitch at the end and at the start of every petal, and repeat this until you have made 4 petals. Once you've done your flower, all you have to do is just sew in a few ends. You can leave your very last end if you want to, and you can add a safety pin to your poppy so you can attach it to your clothes. I wish you happy crocheting. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.